Hi guys! Today I show you how to easily improve your digital drawings by a better lighting. Just a small note, you need some basic knowledge about your drawing program to understand the tutorial. In my case I'm using Procreate, but you can do this with other programs too. So first you have your normal drawing. Maybe you already shaded it a bit, but it isn't necessary. So what you're gonna do is create a new layer and move it under the line art layer, in case you have one. If you don't have line art, just make it the top layer. But be sure to not clip it. Then you need to fill your whole figure with a dark color of your choice. If you want your drawing to look warm, use a red color for example, like I did. Now set the layer to hard light and it should look somehow like this. After that, we'll turn the opacity down to approximately 30 to 40%. If you wanna light areas a bit up, feel free to erase some parts of the layer. Now we're gonna do actual highlights. I'll use the light pen in Procreate. If your program doesn't have it, just lay down some soft colors first and then add white like this. So first you are going to choose a light source and then you draw highlights on spaces where the lights will go. In some areas it's good to use the swiping tool for help. After that, you're done. Here's the comparison again. I think the right one just looks a bit more interesting and more finished than the other one. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. Bye and see you soon!